Hey there! If you're using tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Microsoft Copilot, but you're not getting great results, it's probably not the AI's fault. It's your prompt. Most people just type something quick and expect magic. But if you want clear, useful, and professional results, you need to guide the AI properly. In this video, I'll show you how to do that, step by step. You'll see real examples of bad prompts versus good prompts, and how just changing your words can change everything. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a prompt? A prompt is just what you type into the AI, your instruction. Think of it like sending a task to a junior assistant. If you're vague or unclear, you'll get random results.
What the hell is even that?
If you're specific, you'll get exactly what you want. Your job is to guide the AI like a smart assistant, not a mind reader. The better you describe the task, the better the AI performs. Here's something most people don't realize. AI tools don't think like humans. They don't understand your question. They follow your words exactly, one by one. So if you type something simple like, "Tell me how to be successful," the AI might give you a random list of quotes or general advice.
What are you talking about, man?
But now watch this version. Give me 5 daily habits that successful people follow. Make it short, practical, and easy for a student to try. See the difference? Now the AI knows exactly what you want. 5 habits, short, practical, and for students. And the result will be much more useful. So, the rule is, be specific, be direct. Guide the AI like it's a smart assistant, not a mind reader.
Now let's talk about how to write a great prompt. It's not complicated. Just think of it like sending a clear message to a very smart assistant who needs detailed instructions. A good prompt usually has 4 parts. 1. Context. Explain the situation. Tell the AI who it's pretending to be or what kind of task this is. For example, you are a social media manager for a small coffee shop. This helps the AI understand the role or the situation it's working in. 2. Instruction. What do you want the AI to do? Use action words like write, list, summarize, explain, etc. For example, write an Instagram caption for a new product launch. Don't just say talk about coffee. Be specific about the action you want the AI to perform. 3. Constraints. Any rules like do's and don'ts. The length, tone, format, or target audience, who the post is for. Example. Keep it under 20 words, use an excited tone, and add 2 hashtags. This helps the AI give results that match your real-world needs. 4. Example. Optional, but this helps AI to understand your request more. Show what you want if you can. Even a small sample helps the AI follow your pattern better. Example. New flavor just dropped. Caramel cold brew is here. Hashtag coffee lovers, hashtag fresh brewed. Or you can even attach an image with the prompt however you want to keep them. Let's put it all together. You are a social media manager for a small coffee shop. Write an Instagram caption for our new caramel cold brew drink. Keep it under 20 words, use an excited tone, and include 2 coffee-related hashtags. Example. New flavor just dropped. Caramel cold brew is here. Hashtag coffee lovers, hashtag fresh brewed. Now compare it with a basic prompt. Create an advertisement post for caramel coffee. See the difference? The first one is clear, detailed, and gives exactly what you want. The second one is too open-ended, and the AI will just guess. That's the power of using the 4-part prompt structure: context, instruction, constraints, and example.
And that's it. Now you know the real secret to getting better results from ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or almost any AI. Don't just type something. Guide the AI like a smart assistant. You'll be amazed how a few words can turn weak results into powerful, usable content. And if you want more simple tech tips and smart digital tools, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy prompting.